Here's something you probably experienced. You sit down ready to focus. You tell yourself, this time I'll actually get things done. But a few minutes later, your attention starts slipping. You check your phone, you open another tab, you watch something random, or you just stare at your screen doing nothing. It happens again and again, and eventually you start believing the problem is you. Maybe you think you lack discipline, maybe you think you're just not built for deep work, but that's not true. Your brain is simply trained for distraction. Every notification, every short video, every quick dopamine hit teaches your mind to jump constantly. So when you finally try to focus, your brain feels uncomfortable. It starts searching for stimulation because that's what it's used to. Focus isn't something you're born with. It's something you train, like a muscle. And if you train it the right way, it gets stronger. Here are 15 simple daily habits that can slowly rebuild your focus and help you take control of your attention. Habit 1. Start with a phone-free morning. Most people wake up and immediately grab their phone. Within minutes, their brain is flooded with messages, videos, and information. That overload makes your mind scattered before the day even begins. Instead, keep your first 30 minutes phone-free. Drink water, stretch, sit quietly, walk outside. This gives your brain time to wake up naturally. When you don't start your day with noise, your mind stays clearer and more stable. Habit 2. Do the hardest task first. Your willpower is highest in the morning, but most people waste that energy on easy tasks. They reply to messages, check emails, or do small work. By the time they reach the important task, their energy is gone. Start with the hardest thing. When you complete it early, you remove mental pressure. You also build momentum. And once momentum starts, focusing becomes easier for the rest of the day. Habit 3. Use the 25-minute focus rule. Trying to focus for hours usually fails. Your brain gets tired and looks for escape. Instead, break work into small blocks. Work for 25 minutes on one task, no phone, no switching, no distractions. Then take a 5-minute break. This keeps your brain fresh and prevents burnout. Over time, these short sessions train your mind to stay locked in. Habit 4. Remove distractions before you start. Focus doesn't fail during work. It fails before you even begin. If your phone is next to you, you'll check it. If tabs are open, you'll click them. If notifications pop up, your attention breaks. Before working, clean your environment. Put your phone away. Close extra tabs. Turn off notifications. Make focus the easiest option available. Habit 5. Practice doing nothing. This sounds strange, but it's powerful. Sit quietly for 5 minutes. No phone, no music, no work. Just sit. Your mind will feel restless. Thoughts will jump around. That's normal. Don't react. Stay still. Over time, your brain learns to tolerate silence. And when your mind becomes calmer, focus naturally improves. Habit 6. Stay hydrated and eat light. Your brain needs energy. When you're dehydrated or full of heavy food, your mind slows down. You feel sleepy and distracted. Drink water throughout the day. Avoid heavy meals before important work. A light body supports a sharp mind. Focus improves when your physical state is stable. Habit 7. Choose only 3 priorities. Too many tasks destroy focus. When everything feels important, your brain doesn't know where to start. So you jump between tasks and finish nothing. Write down only 3 priorities for the day. Just 3. This creates clarity, and clarity makes focus easier. Your mind stops wandering because it knows what matters. Habit 8. Stop multitasking completely. Multitasking feels productive, but it's actually attention switching. Every switch drains mental energy. The more you switch, the weaker your focus becomes. Instead, commit to one task at a time. Give it full attention. You'll work slower at first, but your focus becomes deeper and your results improve. Habit 9. Move your body during breaks. Sitting too long makes your brain sluggish. Your energy drops and your attention fades. Movement resets your mind. After each work session, stand up, walk around, stretch. Even a short movement improves blood flow to your brain and restores clarity. Habit 10. Fix your sleep schedule. Sleep is where focus is rebuilt. Poor sleep weakens memory, attention, and decision-making. No habit can fix bad sleep. Sleep at the same time each night. Avoid screens before bed. Aim for at least 7 hours. A rested brain focuses naturally. Habit 11. Create a dedicated focus space. Your brain associates places with behavior. If you work where you watch videos or scroll, your mind expects distraction. Create one spot only for focused work. It doesn't need to be perfect, just consistent. When you sit there daily, your brain automatically shifts into focus mode. Habit 12. Use a clear start ritual. Your brain needs a signal that it's time to focus. Without it, you ease into distraction. Create a simple ritual. It could be opening your notebook, setting a timer, or taking one deep breath. Repeat it every time before work. Over time, this routine trains your mind to switch into focus quickly. Habit 13. Limit instant dopamine. Constant entertainment weakens attention. Short videos, endless scrolling, and quick rewards train your brain to expect stimulation. Reduce these activities, especially before work. When your brain gets less instant dopamine, normal tasks stop feeling boring. Focus becomes easier. Habit 14. Write down distracting thoughts. When you try to focus, random thoughts appear. Things you need to do, ideas, reminders, these pull your attention away. Instead of acting on them, write them down quickly, then return to work. This tells your brain the thought is saved, so it stops repeating it. Habit 15. End your day with reflection. Focus improves when you review your day. Take 2 minutes at night. Ask yourself, what distracted me? When did I focus best? This builds awareness, and awareness helps you adjust. Small daily reflection gradually strengthens your ability to stay focused. Here's the truth. Focus doesn't come from motivation. It comes from habits. Small actions repeated daily slowly rewire your brain. You don't need to follow all 15 at once. That's how people fail. Pick one, practice it, then add another. Your attention is your most valuable resource. Protect it, train it, and your productivity changes. Not overnight, but day by day.